Senior reporter here, West Darville, with Mr. Pearson. Mr. Pearson, what classes do you teach?
Well, right now I have two anatomy classes that I'm teaching at this current time, along with my 3 sections of biology and then 1 honors biology. First semester we had an environmental science class that I taught as well. I'm very involved in athletics too. I coach football in the fall, and right now we're involved in a playoff push here with basketball. So I do a lot of things in the classroom, but also keep myself busy after school too.
That's great. Are you involved with any extracurricular?
Yeah, what I do with the classroom, we've got a very exciting thing that's coming up here, the Envirothon this spring. And the Envirothon is an opportunity for anybody 9 through 12 here at KSS. If they're interested in science, it's a team activity where it's hands-on, almost an outdoor knowledge bowl of sorts, where the kids are involved with studying of some forestry, some soils, wetlands, aquatics, and there's always a current events issue that they need to put together a little 5 to 10 minute presentation on. And this year it's on aquatic invasives, which our environmental science class did quite an extensive look at it early first semester.
And when does this start?
Well, the date is May 4th when the competition is, and the competition's here right at the Prairie Wetlands Learning Center. The organization for it will start in early April. You guys that are interested, look for little notes on my door or announcements that will be made from the office. And I've got, like I said, 9 through 12, the opportunity. I've got some seniors that are planning to do it again. Last year's sophomores, I guess the juniors now that would be. There's a couple groups that have also talked about them joining in. So it's open to anybody. You do need to do a little bit of work outside of class as far as the organization, and then we have a couple practices to kind of get acclimated with what kind of questions they'll make.
And where do you guys practice at?
The practices and the kind of going over the questions will be right here in my room, and typically it's before or after school and kind of on a need to know basis in a way, but I do have sample questions that we've had from the past. We've got some helpful hints on how to put together a great presentation. So looking forward to having a good mix of kids again. And again, that will be coming up in early April, some announcements for signups.
All right, and does it cost anything?
There's no cost to you. No cost to you whatsoever. In fact, they feed you a good lunch out there at the Prairie Wetlands. You get a day off of school, and it's a great learning experience. I haven't had a kid disappointed in all the years that I've coached it.
All right, well, thank you, Mr. Pearson.
Well, thank you for your time, Wes.